So this is Bobby at Copilot Repair with a functionality proof video for a main board for Vizio M421VT. This is unique marking of the board. That board was sent to us by a customer who bought a board on Amazon, but it turned out we were out of boards for sale. So we told them they can send theirs for repair for a discounted price. This is today's date, 11th of July. And again, this is the unique marking that I'm guessing they left. This is our usual setup that you can see in many of our other videos. Ooh, I have forgotten to plug in the video cable. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it out and reconnect that. While we wait for it to reboot, it will actually reboot because this is M421VT and this TV is E422VA. I've mentioned before there is a slight difference. Down there will be the LED indicator for the unit and it will start blinking soon. So we may have to wait the whole process of it restarting. It's still trying to shut off. Okay, it did restart. And now we're gonna be hung on that video screen for a while because it's trying to find the Bluetooth module that is normally connected here, but it's not connected in our case, so it's going to be trying for an extra time and then it will start working, playing from the media player that is hidden currently behind the TV, powered by the USB here and connected to HDMI 1. That's the media player itself. So it is going to stay like this for 2-3 minutes. Again, that is because of the testing setup that we have. And then it will just proceed without the Bluetooth module. This is all because I forgot to plug the video cable for the sake of testing when I connected the board, which also shows, if you can believe it, that this was a preset demonstration. Okay. That line is normal. Because the TV is E422VA and this is M421VT main board, they have a slight difference in the T-counts. I've shown it in other videos. Don't worry about that. As long as you connect that to M421VT, you are not going to have that problem. So that's it. Was good. Thank you very much.